Hello and welcome to this new video. This time we are doing Omid challenge every other day Excel and Power Query challenge number 95. Let's jump into it. I did this challenge a few minutes ago and I will show you how to solve it. So we have here an inventory level table, but with one problem. Not everything is filled out according to the as it should be. So for example, sometimes the level is tracked until May, but sometimes the last entry is in March or even January. And therefore we need to have something that will track this or fill this table out, that we have the level also in this blanks here. And the level filled from left to right. And therefore we can use the scan function. So the scan function, as it's called here, scans an array, and you by applying a lambda function to each value of this array. So you have here an array, and a lambda will be applied for every cell in this array. But you need to know that with the scan function, there's also a so-called a dragging value that you can use. So the value of the cell before, and that is what we want to use here. So scan, it needs an initial value, let's skip this, and an array. And then in this lambda we need to hand over two different values because the initial value and the array are both values here. So, and if I type in B, it will hand out the array. So the array with the blanks are here 0, because Excel thinks, oh, this isn't blank, this is a 0. And now, if I type in A, this is like this value here. So the first value of those cell. But if I do something like if B, so our array is 0, then I want to have the A value, otherwise I want to have the B value. Then you see magically it does, because it scans first row by row and then to the next column. It scans basically here and sees, oh, this is 0, so I need to have the A value, and the A value is only one leg behind, to say it that way. So you see here, this is filled out accordingly. Here the 18 is filled in, here the 20 is filled in, and so on and so on. And now this is our row of interest, our column of interest. So we can either take this column by typing in take -1, or you see it's like the example here, or do something like drop and drop the first 4 columns. It will save 2 characters. You can also save characters here in typing in here because if B isn't 0, Excel will recognize this, and if B isn't 0, then we want to hand out B, otherwise we want to hand out A. So reverse this kind of thing. Will also save us a few characters. And now we can stack this together with this table here, or with this here, with the headers here. And now we can also stack here, doing VSTACK, and type in last inventory. Now here, concat, stack this here, and you see we have it solved as it should be, and we've solved the challenge here quite easy. As you see, I've posted the answers here, also by the answer. I don't think that this will work. Check Hamid's answer. Let's look up C, Y, and C. Oh, sorry. No, this doesn't work. Yeah, as I thought. So, thank you for your time. I hope to see you with the next challenge.